Guess what time it is? Treat time. It's time for treats for Popcorn and Angel, because they were good girls. Come on, Popcorn. Come on. There we go. So it gets dark so early now. Look at Popcorn. Like, you're too close to my face. Like, what the heck? Mother, I don't like it all in my face. I'm sorry, baby. So, it's Thursday. Oops, sorry, baby. Sorry, Popcorn is sticking to your feathers. I'm sorry. Okay, here we go. Let's get coordinated here. There we go. So, oh, the swing's in the way. Hold on. Let's get this swing out of the way. So, it's okay. It's okay. She thinks like, why are you moving the swing, Mother? Come on, Angel. Come on. Come on. It's okay. They freak out littlest things. So, what was I saying? Yeah, well, it gets dark early. And they want to go to sleep early now. They're with the fall weather. They're with the hours. And then when we fall back, they're probably going to be sleeping when I get home. But I do leave a light on for them. I do leave the heat on. I put my central heat on now. And a light on. So you are good, babies. And every time I come home, it's like 73 in here. 74. Which is good. It's perfect for them. Popcorn. Didn't we go through this already? Do not bite your sister. You each have your own millet. You know, I have older videos, which I did post an older one today when they were like 2 months old. They loved each other when they were babies. And now they're teenagers and they're little moody. Very moody girls. But you know what? I catch them on the pet cam and they're all together. They're sitting together. I think it's maybe me. You know, they each want attention. But I don't like when they bite each other. When Popcorn bites Angel, I don't like it. Go ahead, baby. Go ahead. I know I'm talking about you. Go ahead, Popcorn. Go ahead. It's okay. What are you looking at, Popcorn? You're so silly. You're such a silly baby. So yeah, we're getting ready for winter. I don't like winter. Come on, Popcorn. Come on, Popcorn. You're acting silly. You're acting silly, baby. Why are you acting so silly? No, Popcorn. No. Oh, God. She probably knows we're filming. What are you doing, silly girl? Okay. So anyways, yeah, that's about it for today. We'll make another video probably Friday night. Oh, they're acting silly now. Look at them. It's like children. As soon as they press record, you're acting silly. You're so good. Come on, Angel. No. No. No, baby. No. Your sister won't bite you. Right, Popcorn? No. Okay. So we're going to call it... No, babies. No. No, Popcorn. No bites. No bites. Nice, baby. Nice. We go through this all the time. Do not fight. No, nice, babies. Be nice to your sister. You're supposed to love each other. Love, peace, and happiness. Go ahead, Popcorn. No bite. Oh my God. Sorry about that. But I guess this is how sisters fight. Okay, so I'll probably make a video tomorrow morning because it's Friday. Woohoo! And they're tired. They're cranky. That's what it is. They're sleepy and they want to go to sleep. Okay, talk to you tomorrow. Say bye, babies. Tell them you'll be good girls now. Little. Okay. You should be good girls. Promise? No more biting. Right, Popcorn? Okay. Everybody have a good night. Everybody have a good night. Tomorrow's Friday. The weekend. Woohoo! Okay. Bye.